Let's see quickly the top 5 UI trends of 2024.
Yeah. Though they might go right
In 2024, one of the prominent UI trends is the emphasis on larger font sizes. Designers are prioritizing readability and accessibility by opting for bigger and more legible text across digital platforms. Whether it's on websites, apps, or interfaces, the use of larger font sizes enhances user experience, especially on smaller screens. This trend ensures that information is easily digestible and catches the user's attention more effectively. The Bento UI, inspired by the Japanese compartmentalized lunchboxes, is gaining traction in 2024. This design approach organizes information into distinct, clean, and structured compartments. It allows for a more organized and intuitive user experience by presenting content in segmented and easily navigable sections. Bento UI not only enhances visual appeal but also simplifies complex interfaces, offering users a seamless and efficient way to interact with digital platforms. 2024 is all about exploring vibrant and bold color palettes in UI design. Designers are moving away from muted tones and exploring energetic and attention-grabbing color schemes. Vibrant colors are being used strategically to evoke emotions, create visual interest, and establish brand identities. This trend injects life and personality into interfaces, making them more engaging and memorable for users. Animated website navigation is revolutionizing user interaction in 2024. Designers are leveraging animations, transitions, and micro-interactions to guide users through websites seamlessly. These subtle animations not only enhance the overall aesthetics but also improve user engagement and comprehension. Animated navigation elements offer a more intuitive and enjoyable browsing experience, making it easier for users to explore and navigate websites. Another trend making waves in 2024 is the use of vibrant gradient abstracts in UI design. Designers are incorporating eye-catching gradients and abstract shapes to add depth, dimension, and a modern touch to interfaces. These vibrant gradients create a sense of depth, evoke emotions, and contribute to creating visually striking designs. They provide a fresh and dynamic look to digital platforms, capturing user attention and leaving a lasting impression. These trends are shaping the digital landscape, promising more engaging, accessible, and visually appealing user interfaces. See you again in another wonderful video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like button.